Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the admin URL or the website URL of your Shopify store. So firstly, what you have to do is just simply go to settings over here, and if you look in the store details panel over here, you will find your basic information. So just simply click on that, and over there you will find the option to change your store name. But this is not the URL. So for changing a URL, what you have to do is just simply scroll down and click on domains over here. Now over here you will find your existing domain, which is howtomentor3092.myshopify.com, which you can see right over here as well. Now just for information, if you have just created a new store in Shopify, you will have only one chance to change your URL, because after that you will have to buy or connect another domain. But if you want to change it for free, you will only have one chance after newly creating a Shopify account. So what you do is just simply click on change to a new myshopify.com domain. So just simply click on that. Now enter a domain name. For example, as you can see, howtomentor.shopify.com is available. So after entering the name, it will tell you is it available or not, and after that just simply click on add domain and give it a few seconds and the new domain will be activated. Now just simply click on that. Now from over there you can just simply click on the preview icon over here, or just simply go back. So you can click on the preview icon over here as well, or the preview icon over here as well. So just simply click any one of them, and then you will be able to access your website. Now as you can see, the URL has been changed, which you can see over here. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.